of not being able to shower, we're going boating again so we can shower in the lake
with
biodegradable soap. Ah! I am such a good captain. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm so good. So, it's like cold out today. Like, how much degrees do you think it is outside?
Cold. I think at the cabin it was like 74 degrees when we left.
It's not like prime swimming degrees.
Breezy and very dry, and it's probably a little cooler by now.
So I'm like, it's gonna be so cold. I'm already so cold. Before we came here, I was laying on the couch under a blanket with my cat. Like, I'm cold. So I was like, you go first.
But the water temp, we temped it yesterday? The water temped at like 78 to 80 degrees. So the water is nice. Water's not cold.
I'm still dreading it. I was like, I'll try to warm up in the sun, but I'm not that warm.
No, it's really, really nice.
My turn?
Your turn.
Oh, it's gonna be so cold. Oh, I can feel, this is so cold right here because it's wet. Oh, ah. I think it's cold.
The water?
Yeah. Ah. Okay. Ooh, the ladder's shaky. Ooh. Ah. I just need to like do it. There's like two hard parts. First, like going up to here is like hard, and then like up to here is hard. Okay, should I just do it?
Yeah, you'll be warmer when you do it.
But then I'll be cold.
But then when you come out, you put a towel on. It's not bad.
Are you cold right now or no?
You know what's cold? My face is a little cold.
What if I just gingerly sit down?
Don't just be gingerly. Just go. Just.
Oh, it's so cold.
Really, it's not cold.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Oh my gosh. Ready? Here I go. I'm gonna let go. You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Oh! I'm gonna teach you my technique for my hair. What I do. This is what I do before I shower. Like, not just in the lake. Before I shower, like anywhere. Oh, I'm dying. Okay, here we go. So I take out my hair. Usually it's in scrunchies or a ponytail. Whoa, I'm floating up! Because I hate my hair in the way of my life. So I put it up 95% of the time. And then it just looks oh so lovely. There you go. Okay. And then I take my wet brush. Ta-da. And then I'll comb my hair. This is not a good situation. Oh wait, let me do this. There. I think I'm locked in. And then I'll brush my hair where I want my part to be. And if I could see in a mirror, I would part my hair in a mirror, but I can't see right at this moment. So I part my hair like that. And then I section my hair down the middle of my head in the back. Like that. This is my hair just looks so lovely right now.
It does, actually. You're like a mermaid.
I comb it out. Watch me just like tip. Because if I wash it when it's unbrushed, it's like this giant knot of terribleness. Here's my hair, relatively brushed out.
We don't have to worry about getting a sunburn, though.
You know what? I'd rather be warm and get a sunburn than this nonsense. Okay, I'm going to wash my body in the lake because I'm cold. Let me float away for a second. Wow! Where did you put the soap? Wait, I feel it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do some yoga. Oh yeah, how about that? I got so many mosquito bites on my leg. And let's do this one. Whoa, this is my whole leg. Ooh, lemony fresh.
Do you want the float thing?
No, I got this. Whoa! Hold on. Oh, this is good. Like this.
Yeah, do that like
Whoa, I'm far away.
a couple times. Just to make sure it's all clean.
Okay. I also did like this to try to like shake it out. I can hear it squeaking underwater. People, I just drove this boat into dock like perfectly. Tell them how good I did.
A+.
I did like so good. This is like the first time this year. I've done it like less than 5 times. Learns how to drive boats before learns how to drive car. We gotta like run because the mosquitoes are gonna get us. Like for reals. Mom, they're attacking. They're swarming. We need to go.
Go ahead.
Okay, bye. My head's gonna fly out my head. I'm leaving her in the dust because I'm getting so hurt. I will never understand why people like to run like for fun. I don't get it. Like, here's my cat. Hi. Ah!